What's up guys, this is Alec from Blackhouse Vapor Company, coming at you today with another quick juice review. Today we are doing Prophet Alchemist. This is going to be kind of a pineapple starburst flavor. They call it their pineapple fruit burst.
Are you listening? Damn.
If you've ever watched one of these videos before, awesome. If you haven't, I'm going to break it down into 3 categories. I'm going to talk about the flavor profile, the temperature that I would recommend for vaping this flavor at, and where it fits into my flavor rotation. So is it an all-day vape? Is it a dessert vape? Is it somewhere kind of in the middle? I'll let you know. Prophet Alchemist, I've vaped this flavor for a long time, probably at least a few years that I've been vaping on and off this particular flavor, and I enjoy it quite thoroughly. So I can give you a pretty in-depth review of the flavor profile, but I'm going to try to make it short. It is pretty much spot on pineapple starburst. It even has that kind of candy aftertaste to it, that almost waxiness that you get when you're eating a starburst. They did a really great job of replicating that particular sensation that you get when you're eating a starburst. They've done a great job of including that in this flavor. So it may not appeal to everyone, but it definitely appeals to me. It makes me feel like I'm actually eating the candy. But in terms of being too sweet, I don't think it is. It's definitely a strong candy flavor, but it's not overly sweet, and again, totally not overly savory. It's not gonna overwhelm you in any particular way. In terms of temperature, I would say that this is probably more of a hot vape, medium to a hot vape, but again, you're gonna have to kind of play around with that. Flavor and temperature of flavors is all going to be subjective, but I would recommend you start high and maybe work your way down low to find that perfect temperature range for you for Prophet Alchemist. Where does it fit into my lineup of juices? It's a pretty easy all-day vape. It's not too sweet. It's got kind of interesting notes that keep it from being too bland if you are vaping it all day. So I definitely consider this as, if you enjoy candy flavors, this should be an easy all-day vape for you. All right guys, this has been another quick juice review. My name's Alec from Blackhouse Vapor Company, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the Blackhouse Vapor Company YouTube channel. If you're on our website and you're looking at this video there, and you see that product up above, go ahead and try it out, or come down to our shop, 2148 South 900 East, Suite 3, and give it a taste for yourself and see if it's a flavor for you. All right guys, have a fantastic day. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.
Are you listening?